Even as we are dealing with this new enemy, we are also asking the counties to continue working with us on the projects that we had started.
Ni miario ya Minister wa Utamburukia wa Mahinya Eugene Wamalwa hindi ya guthurima waki wa kiganda kia marigo kaunti-ini ino ya Taita Taveta kiria augite ni giguteithiriria hari kwarahura utonga wa bururi.
With over 4,000 banana farmers, we can be able to actually grow the economy of this county and this country through this factory.
Wamalwa augite kaunti iria cie mihaka-ini ya Kenya na mabururi mangi ni guthie na mbere na kuhurwo njeki na gikiro kinene ni thirikari nene amu icigo ici iri ugwati-ini munene wa kuhatiririo ni maruru ma king'uki gia COVID-19.
We want to see what more support we can give our counties in these very difficult times when we are facing this COVID-19 enemy. But particularly counties that are on the borders. We know that you have higher risks and therefore higher responsibilities.
Minister wa urimi kaunti-ini ino Davis Mwangoma ni atugiritie kuigwo keheri gwa ciringi bilioni 3 ni ministry ya kigina iria itanyitwo kuhura njeki arimi guku bururi-ini, akiuga arimi a marigo kaunti-ini ino ni amwe ya aria mekugunika na njira nene na kigina giki.
Sisi wale wakulima ambao tuko nao almost 57,000 farmers, small scale farmers, they can be beneficiaries of that e-voucher system.
Arimi a marigo ni amwe ya Kenya aria mahinyiririkite kimuhuko ihinda-ini riri bururi ugumirwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19 amu thoko ya marigo ndiricite kugumirwo ni ihingica iria ciumanite na murimu uyu.
Ndizi zetu zinaozea shambani na tunajua kwamba kuna watu ambao wana njaa mahali pengine. Tungeomba kama serikali yako na department yako ingeangalia jinsi ambavyo ungetusaidia watu wote wafaidi hizi ndizi ziende zilishe watu na pia wakulima huko wasipate hasara ambayo itakuwa kweli haielekei kwamba ni jambo zuri.
Maya mokite oriri kigomano kingi gatagati ga thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti gitanyitwo gutabanio wa gatatu kiumia giukite mworoto munene ari kwarira mitaratara ya kwarahura utonga wa bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.